If you need to change your MSN account password, this quick tutorial will walk you through the full process step by step. Whether you're updating your password for security reasons or simply because you've forgotten the old one, this guide will make it easy to follow along. And before we get started, please make sure to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials just like this one. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to msn.com. Once the page loads, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This is where your account options are located, and it's the quickest way to get to your Microsoft account settings from MSN. After clicking your profile, select My Microsoft Account. This will take you directly to your Microsoft account dashboard, where you can manage important settings like security, sign-in information, and password changes. If you're already signed in, you should be able to access the account page right away. Once you're inside your Microsoft account, look for the Change Password option and click it. This opens the password update page, where you'll be able to create a new password for your MSN and Microsoft account. At this stage, make sure you choose a strong password that's easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. Now type your new password into the first password field. Be careful to enter it correctly, since passwords are case-sensitive and even one small typo can cause issues later. After that, re-enter the same password in the confirmation field below. This step is important because it helps Microsoft verify that you've typed the new password exactly the same way both times. Before you finish, double-check that both password entries match and that your new password meets the required security rules. It's always a good idea to use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters whenever possible. That extra protection can help keep your account safer. When everything looks good, click Save to confirm the change. Once you save it, your MSN password will be updated, and you may be asked to sign in again using the new password on other devices or apps. If that happens, just use the updated password you created in this process. And that's it. You've successfully changed your MSN account password. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.